Hello, EDSC 549. My name is Jenna Anderson. I'm your teaching assistant, and this is the first of several videos that I'll put together that are going to, I'm going to review the previous discussion and talk about any main points that came up and give you some further direction in what's going on this next unit, and talk about any due dates that are coming up. And that's always helpful for me. I'm one of those people that spaces major projects, so we can't have that happen. So yeah, it was very nice going over last week's discussion and seeing all these great people that are in class from all over the country. So it's always great to see new faces. I wasn't a teaching assistant last fall, so you're all new to me. So it was great to see that and see we're meeting new people. So again, look for my videos throughout this semester. I'll be going over discussion points. Thanks. Bye.